Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your Instagram algorithm based on your personal interests. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store and type Instagram in the search bar. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is updated, open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down until you find Content Preferences and then tap on your algorithm. Here you can choose what type of content you want to see more of and what you'd like to see less of. Adjust the settings according to your interests. And that's it! That's how you can customize your Instagram algorithm. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.